Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Do you use gravity forms in your business and you want to enter the form submission in a tabular manner in your Google Sheets automatically? Then this video is just for you. Let me show you how this setup is going to work. I will do the new gravity form submission in front of you and I'll show you the record of that form submission will be automatically created in my Google Sheets. So right here for the name, let's suppose I'll write it as new. For the last name, let's suppose I'll write over here as user. For the email, I'll write over here as new user @pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number I will enter a dummy phone number and then click on this submit button. As soon as I will do that, automatically the form submission is done and in my Google Sheets you will see the record new user @pabblytudes.com with the phone number. So as now the record has been created successfully, this is how this amazing setup is going to work. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this setup. I have been using the software Pabbly Connect to create such amazing automations without need of any coding and programming skills. So now you have to access Pabbly Connect. For that, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page. Sign up for free from here. If you don't have an account, you will receive 100 free tasks every month. Using the task, you can create the setup right away and test it out. If you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans in order to automate your business workflows, simply use the code ANGYT that you can see on the left side of my screen. The code is in the description section as well, using which you will get amazing discounts. After coming to the dashboard, you will log in, you will come to the dashboard. To create the workflow, go towards this create workflow option and I will select the option of create using AI. This is a new flow builder inside our Pabbly Connect workflows. Okay, so now we have to enter a simple prompt. Using the prompt, AI will analyze the request and generate the workflow for you. So what I want to send gravity form responses to Google Sheets instantly. So I have forwarded this request towards this AI flow builder. In my gravity forms, as soon as a new response will be received for the form submission in my Google Sheets, a new row should be created as a record. So I'll approve and open this workflow from here. You will see the template is already created. Now let's simply build the connections and the entire workflow will be created for you. So right here, this is my trigger gravity forms new response. Now copy this URL from here and open the gravity form that you have created. Now before connecting this form to Pabbly Connect, inside this plugin section, you have to install the plugin Gravity Forms Webhook. Okay, you have to install the Gravity Form Webhook plugin. Let me show you. I've already installed this plugin and activated it. After installing, now you have to go back to the form that you have created. After coming to the form that you have created, so this is the form that I want to connect. I'll go towards this form setting option right over here and you will see the option of webhooks. You have to go towards it. Now you have to add a new webhook. For that, click on this add new option. After doing that, we have to enter the name of this webhook. So over here I will write it as new form entry as the name. For the request URL, paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. Post will be the method, JSON will be the format. If you want the requested headers, you can do that, but I will select all the fields and save this setting from here. That will add the new webhook URL inside your gravity form. You can see this is the webhook URL that is added, new form entry. So as now this webhook URL has been added, inside the trigger you have to click on this recapture webhook response and yes button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether this form that you have created using gravity forms is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will do a new form entry, new form submission and check whether the form submission response has been captured in my trigger or not. So I will preview the form from here and I will enter all the details. Name is best account, email is best@pabblytudes.com with this phone number. I will do the form submission from here. As soon as the form submission will be done, you will see in the trigger the response best@pabblytudes.com, the same phone number. Name as best account has been captured in the trigger. So as now the response has been captured, gravity forms is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now for this form submission, let's create a record in our Google Sheets. For that, we'll set up this step. Click on this connect button and go towards this add new connection option where click on this sign in with Google button. Now this is the account with the help of which I have created my Google Sheets. So I will select this account from here. After selecting the account, it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After that, for the spreadsheet, I've created one in the name of leads data and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'm going to go back and select the spreadsheet as well as the sheet from the drop down. After selecting those details, I have created 4 headers: first name, last name, email and the phone number in my Google Sheets. So right over here, these are the headers that you will see in such manner. Now for the data of these fields, I will map the data for the first name. I will search for the first name right over here, and you can see this is the name that I want to keep as a record. This is the previous step, so I'm going to select the data of the first name from my previous response, which makes this data mapped as well as dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the last name, the email address, as well as the phone number. So let me enter all the details. So after doing that, simply I'm going to click on this even send test request button where I've received this response, and you will see in the Google Sheets the record has been created successfully of the same form submission. So as soon as that is done, this means the connection between Gravity Forms and Google Sheets is now been created. Now whenever a new form submission is going to be done by any of your leads through Gravity Forms, automatically you will see the record is created in your Google Sheets in a systematic manner, in a tabular form. Okay, so this is how you create this setup. If you want the free template of this workflow, you can check out the workflow link in the description section below. You can use it absolutely without paying any cost. With that, if you have any questions or doubts related to this workflow, comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.